Good evening. It's June 1st, 2018. This is Ian Garcia. This is going to be crunch time. We're trying to get three, four different exercises in this one video. So I'm going to move real fast with this one. This is the Methylene Red and Vogue's Prosecure testing. So there's two exercises, but with these two exercises, a total of three, four steps. Okay, so first thing we got to do is grab your nutrient broth, the E. coli, and the S. epidermidis. And what you want to do is it's going to be the same technique that we did with the other ones. So basically what you want to do is get a pipette and do the same aseptic technique with the pipette, sterilize the pipette, sterilize the tip of the tubes. We've gone over that with all the other videos, so I'm going to skip that part. So basically what we're doing is we're putting drops of the active nutrient broth of the E. coli into this MRVP broth. So for the E. coli, you have two. You have one E. coli and one S. epidermidis. So what you want to do is put some of the active things into here, into these vials. So about, they say here, what is it, a couple drops, about 4 drops into each. So E. coli nutrient broth goes in here, and epidermis thing. So you do that, let that sit. That'll be the first part. So once you do that, you let it incubate for 48 hours, and you don't see anything, do an additional 24 hours. So after 48 hours, you uncheck your broth here, okay? So this is the part 2. We're doing the methyl red testing. So after you do that, you want to label, you'll grab 4 test tubes, and label 2 of them S. epidermidis, and then 2 of them E. coli. So after you do that, you want to divide the E. coli evenly to these 2 tubes, and this broth evenly to these 2 tubes, the epidermidis. Then once that's done, you want to open up the methylene red reagent and open it up with scissors and put 7 drops into the filled E. coli and 1 into the filled test tube or the epidermidis. Once that's done, take a photo and see if there's any color change of the broth and make note of it. Then after that, the part 3 part is you get the Barrett's A, and you put 12 drops into the other set of test tubes. So this is the first part for the E. coli, and this is for the Barrett's A and Barrett's B testing. I'm sorry, yeah, Barrett's B and Barrett's A testing. Now, what you want to do is put 12 drops of the A agent, mix it, gently swirl it, and then after that, put in the B, 4 drops. Shake the tube gently for 30 seconds and expose the contents to oxygen. Then after that, place the tubes in the rack and let it sit for 30 minutes and take note and photograph the results. So that's the exercise 1. Exercise 2 is the last part. Exercise 2 is a catalyst testing. So basically what you want to do is you can grab the active your active plates, which I have, and what we're going to do is put them on these slides. I've already pre-made these slides. So just like the other slides, you want to label, flip it over, and draw the dime-sized circle. So after you do that, you put a couple drops, and then what you want to do is put hydrogen peroxide, couple drops on there. I'm sorry, not drops of things. Which one do you want to grab this? Get your thingamajigger here, scrape it, put it on the slides, then put a couple drops of the hydrogen peroxide, and basically observe and report what you see as far as bubbles and the reaction when the hydrogen peroxide is mixed with the contents on the slide. So that's pretty much a rough overview of this part. Sorry, it was kind of pressed, but I had to get everything in there within the 4 or 5 minutes time limit. Okay, so have a great night and see you at the next video. Thank you.